See this little digital pet? It's not really moving, but your brain thinks it is. So how does this clever toy fool our brains? Time to explore the technology and biology behind how the Bitsy is tricking us. Bitsy is an adorable virtual pet. Kind of like the Tamagotchi, you can feed it, play with it, as well as give it pats. Aww. Cute Bitsy. Oh, and you've also got to clean up after it. Just what I wanted. More responsibility. But unlike those other 2D digital pets, Bitsy looks 3D, floating in midair. So how does it do that? Inside Bitsy is a flexible screen with a strip of LEDs. These LEDs flash super duper fast, creating an image one slice at a time. It's the combination of this flexible screen moving back and forth and the LEDs flashing that creates the illusion that the Bitsy's moving around. When looking at the Bitsy in slow motion, you can see that it doesn't really look like the cute little pet from before. Aw, look how cute it isn't. But because the LED strip moves back and forth so fast, each image only lasting a fraction of a second, our brain stitches those images together and creates what looks like a moving image. Boom, you have a fully animated Bitsy dancing in 3D space. This is what's called persistence of vision. You can see this in action with other POV devices like this. This LED fan display uses fast-moving fans with lights to create 3D hologram-style visuals. You can even put an LED on a bike wheel and create animations and moving images that way. But why are we seeing animations when they're static images? Why does our brain do that? Well, your eyes and brain work together in some weird and wonderful ways. When an image hits your eyes, your brain actually hangs onto that image for about 1/13 of a second. So if another image appears quickly enough, the brain just blends them into smooth motion. But this illusion isn't just used in toys, it's the same reason we can see movement in films. Movies are called motion pictures for a very good reason. Films generally have 24 frames per second. That's just enough to trick your brain into thinking the images are moving. And it's also why some people feel weird when looking at things that are filmed at a slower frame rate, like stop motion. In medicine, CT scanners use slices of data pieced together by computers as well as your brain to form a full 3D image. And if you've ever made a flip book, these are essentially the old school Bitsy. But that's not everything that's going on. We see even weirder illusions when lights flash in sequence. See this dot? See it moving? Well, it turns out it isn't actually moving. This is called the Phi Phenomenon, where our brains perceive movement even if nothing is actually moving. Let me slow that down for you. See? What's even cooler is your brain doesn't just see motion that isn't there. We invent colours too. This looks grey, right? But it's actually just made of a spinning rainbow. Basically, all the information is happening so fast that our brains can't process it in time, so it mixes all those colours together and averages them out to white or grey, which is a super fun trick. So the Bitsy tricks our brains by utilising persistence of vision and the Phi phenomenon, showing slices of light in motion, and your brain just fills in the rest. Now, the thing that got me that makes Bitsy quite unique is that unlike other digital pets, Bitsy responds to you, thanks to the fact that it's built in with capacitive touch sensors. Now, these are the same technology in your phone or iPad touchscreen, which is why you can't trick it with a pen. You need to have some kind of electrical charge to make it work. But my favourite part is because of the moving screen, when you pat Bitsy, the animation literally squashes down. So the reason that we can see this little cute friend moving and dancing and pooping is because our brains are really cool and really weird. You can actually create your own POV experiment by grabbing 2 pieces of paper, copy some letters on it, or 2 slightly different images attached to a stick, and when you spin it, you have a persistence of vision experiment. Until next time, bye!